Trying to lose weight, but the scale won't budge? You're making these 9 daily mistakes that secretly sabotage fat loss. Let's fix what's holding your results back. Starting now. Your body confuses thirst with hunger. Drinking water before meals helps you eat less and feel full longer. Cardio burns calories, but muscle burns fat all day. Add resistance training to ignite your metabolism. Skipping meals slows your metabolism and leads to cravings. Balanced meals every 4-5 hours work best. You might be eating more than you think. Tracking your meals helps you stay in control and hit your goals. Cutting too many calories backfires. Your body holds fat and burns muscle. Eat enough to fuel fat loss the smart way. One bad meal won't ruin your progress. Quitting will. Focus on progress, not perfection. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones and cravings. Get 7-9 hours to boost fat loss and energy. Packaged diet foods are loaded with sugar and sodium. Stick to real, whole foods that nourish and satisfy. Motivation fades fast. Success comes from habits. Make healthy routines part of your daily life. Fix just one mistake and you'll see results. Fix all 9, you'll transform. Here's your bonus. Drink 20 ounces of water and move for 10 minutes every morning. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more and your journey of weight loss will be easier.